Hello guys! Greetings from Poland. It's a beautiful evening here. I'm drinking my delicious tea. It's not a whiskey, I swear. Who cares? And wondering why I love ZBrush so much. I was a young student when I first made ZBrush, so it was still in version 2 and half 3D. It had a very strange interface and tools compared to other software, but it had something in it. I already thought that I would be a program that would change the world of 3D graphics. Many years later, I can say that I love ZBrush because thanks to him I can free implement my ideas and develop my skills. So cut to the chase. Guys, I wish you many next wonderful year of creation, wonderful tools for wonderful artists to create wonderful piece of art. See ya. And private message. Jamie, cheers.